So, in previous class, we are studying about the classical chemistry chapter P block and P block, है ना? And we all are studying about the preparation of dinitrogen. We all study about what? Preparation of dinitrogen. Preparation of dinitrogen. That means we know that this is prepared by the two process. First process in terms of decomposition, and another is combination. In decomposition process, we all are known about the ammonium dichromate gets decomposed and forming N2. Now we all are talking about the formations of preparation. What is the formations here? Here we all are talking about the formations of preparation in terms of combination. Combination ki regarding how ammonia N2 get formed. We all are now talking about this. Here we see how N2 is formed by the process of combination. That means we have to take some reactant. That means what? We have to take some reactant, and our reactant is ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. React with what? NH4Cl is react with NaNO2. Sodium nitrate. Ammonium chloride gets react with what? Sodium nitrate, and our product is N2 plus H2O. And what get formed? And it's corrected down NaCl. By the combination, this is ammonium chloride, and what is this? Sodium nitrate. Okay, nitrite. And this is what? For the formation. Here is the formation of N2, and this is water, and this is sodium chloride. So this is the formation. Here we write that in this reaction, ammonium chloride react with sodium nitrite, and after combination, N2 get formed, also water and sodium chloride is formed. Okay, so this is the reaction of preparation. This is the reaction of preparation regarding to the sodium nitrite, ammonium chloride gets combined to form what? Dinitrogen. Now what to see next? There is also the another method of preparations here. There is also the another method of preparation here. Again in terms of decomposition, बार इस टाइप के रिएक्शंस पूछे जाते हैं प्रिपरेशन ऑफ रिगार्डिंग किसके? प्रिपरेशन ऑफ टर्म्स ऑफ डाइनाइट्रोजन. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मेशंस हियर? तो फॉर्मेशंस इज रिगार्डिंग ऑफ द व्हाट? barium azide. Barium azide is a compound. What is barium azide? Is a compound. This is Ba. This is Ba means barium. Barium combined with N3 molecules in terms of 2 because barium contains 2 charges and its heat decomposes. What? Its heat decomposes. And what was the product of it? And the product is N2 plus what is having here? This is barium. This is what is that? This is barium azide. Gets decomposed with the help of it. Gets decomposes with the help of it and forming of dinitrogen. Forming of dinitrogen and barium get displaced. Barium get displaced. That means if you write the synopsis of this reaction, you have to write this for the formation of dinitrogen we have to take barium azide and after decomposition our resultant reactant is resulting product is N2 and barium. Then that means this is the formation regarding the preparation of dinitrogen in terms. Just take a screenshot of that. Do it fast and reply here. Completed? Okay, I am going to erase. After that, we all are study about the properties of dinitrogen. What is the meaning of property? That means how it's a physical state, how it's a chemical state, what is its color, what is its order. So generally we are studying about the properties of dinitrogen. Generally, dinitrogen is a colorless substance and orderless. They have, that means N2 having no color and also having no order. And when we talk about its what? And it is also, next point, it is a non-toxic gas. If N2 gets released anywhere, its N2 gets released, don't be too afraid from that, because it is a non-toxic. It didn't harms you. It didn't harm you. That means there is no terms of afraid from that. And if it gets formed, then its melting point. What is the melting point of N2? What is the melting point of N2? Is about 77,000 in heated. Into heated in terms of 77 Kelvin. And forming about to density regarding same object. And the formations of regarding what? It doesn't take any other matter. It doesn't take any other matter, only the formation of nitrogen gets bonded. First nitrogen is taken from the another compound and another nitrogen is taken from the another compound from the preparation, and properties relating towards that only. It is completely soluble in water. तो ये जो N2 है, ये ऐसा नहीं कि नॉन सॉल्युबल्स कंपाउंड्स के टर्म्स में रिग्रेट कर रहा होता है, ये कंप्लीटली क्या होता है, वाटर के रिगार्डिंग भी सॉल्युबल होता है। वाटर में कंप्लीटली तरह से क्या हो जाता है, डिसॉल्व हो जाता है। प्रिपरेशन के रिगार्डिंग में हम लोगों को देखा कि वाटर गेट्स रिलीजेस, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट, वाटर गेट्स रिलीजेस, दैट मीन कंप्लीटली डिसॉल्व ऑफ वाटर। If any substance have a do not the property as the same follow as another compounds, that means completely opposite from that. If the substance get created and in terms of same property, if any substance come from water and if you see the preparations of dinitrogen, you see that the water gets releases again and again, that means it completely attached with water. That means this is the term of solubility of N2. In terms of what? Solubility of N2. Water is completely soluble in water. Now you have to see the combinations. I can erase it. Take a screenshot there. Completed? Completed or not? Now you have to see the formations and chemical reaction. Generally we have to write that generally dinitrogen is chemically active towards the metal and get combined with that and form product with the similar properties regarding combined regarding what? Combined metals. That means what is the meaning of this? If the nitrates and the dinitrogen combine with any similar and a fixed type of metal, generally it combined with the peak metals. Peak metals means that we are talking about the reactivities order. That means peak metal like lithium. It's combined with lithium and form the subtractive products, and the properties of products directly similar towards the metals. If metal gets combined, then product is also similar towards the metals. Like that, if the sodium combined with lithium combined with N2, lithium combined with N2 with the help of it. Just learn the reactions of the chemical properties. If the lithium combined with N2, what is the product, guys? Product is about to Li3n. Li3n. This is lithium. This is lithium. Dinitrogen. And combined with the formation of here forming lithium nitride with the help of heat. With another term, it combined with what? Mg, magnesium. It combined with what? Magnesium. Mg plus N2 forming what? What is the product here? Product is Mg. Mg what? Mg3 and 2. How can the product form? This is the term of nitrogen. Nitrogen. See the here the formations. Nitrogen Mg and N2 and 2. 3 containing and 2 containing gets combination in the terms of cross reaction. Mg3 and N2 like that of the cross reaction. What happened? Yeah, this is 3 negative terms. Yeah, 3 negative terms. Overall, if you see the formation, first of all, this all the formations of the completing neutralization. क्या होता है कि कभी भी किसी भी कंपाउंड्स के, हम लोग जैसा कि जानते हैं क्या होता है, कभी भी किसी भी कंपाउंड्स के निगेटिव टर्म्स को, किसके निगेटिव टर्म्स को कंप्लीटली स्टेबलाइज करने के लिए ही पॉजिटिव टर्म्स को क्या किया जाता है, ऐड किया जाता है. जैसे एल्युमिनियम है ना, एल्युमिनियम की एटॉमिक नंबर कितनी होती है? 30. और अपनी स्टेबिलिटी के लिए एल्युमिनियम क्या करता है, अपने सेल में से 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को क्या कर देता है, रिमूव कर देता है. तो कभी भी एल्युमिनियम कंबाइन होगा, क्या होगा, कभी भी एल्युमिनियम कंबाइन होगा तो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट तभी होंगे जब एल्युमिनियम के कंप्लीटली 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को कोई दूसरा नॉन मेटल 3 के ग्रुप में आकर क्या करेंगे, अपने साथ लेकर चले जाए. कभी भी आप एल्युमिनियम के फॉर्मेशन देखते होंगे, एल्युमिनियम और क्लोरीन का फॉर्मेशन, तो AlCl का फॉर्मेशन होता है? नो, AlCl का फॉर्मेशन नहीं होता. क्यों नहीं होता? व्हाट इज द रीजन? तो रीजन ये है कि देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एल्युमिनियम हैविंग +3 चार्ज and chlorine having -1 charge, because chlorine need 1 electrons for stability and aluminum need 3. Aluminum release 3 electrons for the stability. So aluminum comes in the group of 3. What is the member of group? Number of 3, and combine with the aluminum and take the overall total 3 electrons and formation product of this AlCl3. Aluminum chloride gets formed. So this is the term of regarding what? Regarding of the formations of dinitrogens and also the properties of dinitrogen. Now we are talking about the combinations also. We know that ammonia also gets formed in the formation of Haber process. Haber tends to direct it towards the combination. If N2 and H2 gets combined, that will formation of NH3. N2 means dinitrogen. So our term, it combined for the formation of ammonia. Dinitrogen gets combined with hydrogen in terms of Haber process. Haber process is already talking about the formation of only the combinations. What is the formation of the only combinations? What is the reactant here? What is the reactant here? Reactant only go through the N2. Reactant is only go through the N2, that is N2. Combine with H2. N2 combine with H2 and forming what? NH3. Balance this. balance this. This is a very simple and question for balancing. What you have to add? You have to add what? 3 as 2 complete balance. This process is known as what? Haber. Haber process. Haber process is only as a none of in terms of combination. What? Haber process is only in the term of what? Combination. It also combined with dinitrogen also combined with oxides. Dinitrogen also combined with oxides and form oxygen containing compound. Oxygen containing compound that will N2 combine with what? Oxygen O2 and forming NO 2N. So this is the chemical properties of dinitrogen here. Take a screenshot of that. Take it first. Oh, very good. And now we see what? We see that there is a term of formation and the chemical properties regarding that. And here